I think I want to use my projector again. I really like that projector. It was so silly. Basta! Basta means enough. Enough. Not pasta, it's basta with the B as burrito. Enough. Enough, debut. No more. I'm tired. I wanna stream now. Let me stream. Raul. What the fuck? What's going on? Guys, I honestly, sometimes I sneeze way louder. I can't control myself. That was a very tiny sneeze. I'm a monster when I sneeze. I'm telling you, I don't have the cute anime girl sneeze. Like, I really like scream. So I'm quite surprised. I'm a monster. I'm way louder than that. Yeah, I have this smoking ankle. Sometimes I'm so loud that my mom in the other room was like, "What are you doing? Stop! You scared the shit out of me." And she doesn't say that, but she kind of does. She kind of gets jump scared every time I sneeze. I'm so sorry for her. Boom sneeze! I literally explode. Yeah, it just explode.
By the way, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a notification.